Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to download your WhatsApp status. So this is a process. This is an easy process to do. The first step is go here to the application of files and of Android operative system here in files. And after that you need to go to the superior left corner in these three lines here, and after that you need to go to the option of settings. So here in settings you need to go to the last option where set show hidden files. You pick here, you go here, and after that you need to you need to close the app, and after that you need to enter again, and you need to go here in the principal page where set internal storage, and after that you need to pick here in the option of Android. So here in Android you need to pick here in media, and you need to search the option of com.whatsapp here, com.whatsapp, and after that you need to pick here in WhatsApp, and after that you need to pick here in the last option where set media, and like you see you got all the media, all the archive of the media of your WhatsApp app, and you need to pick here in status. You look in the you need to search the status you want to download. You pick in download, and that's it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.